Hi, I'm Julie Turando, stylist and founder of rockstarattraction.com, where I help men bring out their inner badass through personal image. And today we're in Wingtip, San Francisco, and we'll be discussing how to dress stylish for men. The problem for most men when taking on their own personal image is they don't even know where to begin. To be stylish just seems absolutely overwhelming. A great first step is to go into a local trendy shop and look at a mannequin and see exactly what is it that they're doing that has it look so good. Pay attention to the details, like the watch, the socks, the shoes, the things on the shirt that might just catch your eye. Most men won't look at a real man, but looking at a mannequin couldn't be easier. To get the stylish look that you want, the key is less is more, and focus on the fit so that it shows off your body and the quality of fabrics as well. And also, you can't underestimate what a good haircut will do. It will go a long way. It's about the overall look from top to bottom, that everything goes together well. For more tips and ideas, you can find me at rockstarattraction.com. I'm Julie Turando. I'll see you later.